Hello, everybody. I'm here to talk to you about partials today. Partials, we usually, when we hear that word, we think about brass players and how if they're playing, for example, a trumpet player's, sitting there, no valves pushed down, they play a low C, a G, another C, an E, so on and so forth. It works its way up. And that's usually what we think about when we hear the word partials. However, partials also refers to the different parts of a rhythm. For example, if we're using a triplet pattern and you have your notes all filling up the measure, there are different partials involved in each one of those beats. You have the first partial, the second partial, and the third partial. And that repeats itself over and over again throughout the rest of the measure. So a lot of times when you hear us discussing working on a grid exercise, for example, and maybe we're working based off of triplets, and you hear us say we're going to put a diddle on the first partial, we're actually talking about just this one moment in time. Let's say we're switching it over. Next measure is putting the diddles on the second partial. In this particular case, it would be on the left hand of your first beat. That's what we mean when we say those kinds of things. It works whether it be triplets, it works in sextuplets, 16th notes, eighth notes, anything that has a subdivision. I hope that this clears things up for you and that you're able to continue working on your warm-ups. Thanks.